Hey everyone, it's me Jen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here's another swan video for you. So we saw mum and dad swan and then we carried on walking along the canal, saw all of the babies, and then the babies, we gave them a fuss and they started swimming back up to mum and dad, and then mum and dad decided that they were going back this way. So they all came back up towards us and then I was attacked, or rather my shoe was. I think Little Un thought that it was food, but it wasn't. It did not hurt in the slightest. It was actually quite funny. Unfortunately, I did not have any food left to give them because they kind of ate it all, and then my bag fell in the water, and then I had to get my bag out of the water, which is now very soggy and wet. Thanks for watching.